Easy, little goat. I have some grass for you. Come here. I want to help you.
Don't worry, kids. We will catch him together.
Thank you. I'm sorry. It was my fault. He went that way! Follow me! I am right behind you. This is all my fault. I opened the gate. It is okay, Leo. We will find him together.
I know this little goat. His name is Sunny. He loves fresh grass.
Can we help you find him, Mr. Brooks?
Yes! Stay calm and quiet. Goats trust gentle voices.
Hello, Sunny. Come here.
You are doing great, Maya. Stay patient.
Good boy, Sunny. I knew you would trust me. I am sorry I scared you, Sunny. I am happy you are safe.
You two did wonderfully today. Sunny is safe thanks to you.
This was our worst day at the zoo. No, Leo. I think it was our best day. Look, Leo! A toy goat that looks just like Sunny.
This is for you, Leo. A little reminder of today.
Thank you. I will keep him forever. Goodbye, Sunny. We will visit you again. I promise. Today was crazy. Yeah, but it was perfect. Today was crazy. Yeah, but it was perfect. I am going to remember this day forever. Me too.
What a day, Sunny. See you tomorrow, little troublemaker.
Good night, Leo. Don't let the goat jump out of bed.
Good night, Maya. Good morning, Sunny. We have a lot to do today. Leo! Let's make a giant card for Mr. Brooks and the baby goat. Great idea! I will draw the zoo gate. And I will draw Sunny eating grass. Look what we made! Can we go to the zoo to give it to them? I hope Sunny likes the colors. He definitely will. Let's go! surprise!
Wow, did you two make this yourself? It is beautiful! This is gonna make everyone smile today.
Yes. We will see you again soon, Sunny. Be a good boy.
You two are the best helpers Sunny ever had. Wear these with pride.
Wow. We are ready for duty. Our first day as helpers.
Welcome back, team. Sunny is waiting for a morning grooming. Great job, junior zookeepers! Sunny looks perfect.
Yay! Yay!
Time for Sunny's favorite part of the day, snack time!
Apples are his favorite, right? And these carrots look delicious. Here you go, Sunny.
Eat up, buddy.
Hey! Nothing else in there, Sunny.
You two are natural zookeepers. Training for today is complete. You are officially part of the team now.
Thank you, Mr. Brooks. We will be back next weekend.
Wait for us, Sunny.